Today we're checking out an AOC product. And no, it's not a monitor. It's a TV. This is the AOC 65U8030 TV. 65-inch, 4K resolutions, 60Hz panel, all with Google TV installed. The TV comes with a QLED panel which has pretty good colors on it. The first thing I notice is the color saturation. It's actually not too bad. It gives off a very neutral color, which means no color is overwhelming and everything feels like it's tuned correctly. Even the blacker areas has good dynamic range and not too much details are lost there. Of course, the TV does support HDR10, which makes the blacker part look much better as long as the content supports it. But of course, it does give you different picture profiles. I found that standard and vivid to be the best. Movie mode makes everything too warm. It kind of feels like you're in a Western cowboy show. But of course, you can go for the user profile and adjust the image based on your preference. The viewing angles have also been great, so I wouldn't be so worried about adjusting this TV in your living space. It does have Dolby Atmos support, and that does help in elevating the sound quality. It's just a me thing. I would like to hear a bit more bass, so usually for YouTube content, I would increase the bass, and on regular content, I'll turn on Dolby Atmos, and that's good enough for me. And if you want to upgrade the sound, then we do have something for you, so make sure you subscribe because it's coming out in the next video. Instead of running on Android TV, which is kind of a dated interface, it's using Google TV, which looks much better and it integrates better with your Google account because it requires you to log in before booting up. Then all your Google apps are immediately linked to the account that you signed in with, as well as syncing between your Android or Google devices. It also helps that you can download apps from the Play Store and further extend the amount of streaming sites you have available. As for the Google TV features, it has the basic things like ambient mode, the tailored recommendations, and Google Photos syncing to the TV, just to name a few. Then of course we have the remote, and the remote feels really good in your hand. It has all you need to fully take advantage of Google TV. It also has a daily key button which allows you to map a certain app of your choice to the remote control, which is fantastic because other TV makers fix the apps that you're able to use as a shortcut on the remote. Now you have the choice to add something like, for example, Disney Plus or any other streaming websites of your choice. As for the design, the TV looks actually pretty good. It has near bezel-less design, save for the bottom part, and the leg stands actually look pretty good and very solid. And of course, it has ample amount of ports. They have many HDMI ports, they have a USB port, they also have an Ethernet port to hook it up to your home network without using the Wi-Fi. So it pretty much got you covered with connecting all your devices, including a console and a soundbar. Now I know some of you might be a bit surprised to see an AOC TV, especially those of you in Malaysia, because in Malaysia, we know AOC to take out great monitors. But you'll be surprised to know that when AOC started as a company, they first made TVs before monitors. And this is not the first TV that AOC has made. They have made many TVs in the past years. So for those of you who are looking for something different out there, then I definitely can recommend this TV. And with that guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the next video.